Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the blurred swing video effect on CapCut. So first, get your clips ready and then just go to video effect, find basic and then select the slanted blur. This one, adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to set the blur into 50 and then also the rotate into 45. And then after that, just click on the check icon and adjust it for the first clips like this. I'm going to make it half, and then after that, go to animation, select the clip and animations, and here in the in, just select the swing right, this one. Okay, I'm going to set it into 0.6 seconds and it will go like this. And then add another animation, click on the clips animation, and now choose out and adjust it into, okay, fade out like this. Click on the check icon so it'll go like that. And do this for all clips, so I'm going to get back to you after I'm done. Okay, so I'm done adding the slanted blur and also the swing and also fade out animations to whole clips, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.